Last night we went to probably the most Hawaii thing I've ever been to, Spam Jam. It's Waikiki's probably most unique street food festival, and it's celebrating everyone's favorite protein here, Spam. It started back in 2003 as a local kind of block party, and it's exploded into today's Spam Jam, where they have 3 stages for performances, a drone show, and tons of food and other vendors. Hawaii actually consumes the most Spam per capita in the United States, consuming something like 7 million cans of Spam per year. Since it started, Spam Jam has raised hundreds of thousands of dollars and collected tons of canned goods for the Hawaii Food Bank. We went to go take a look at all of the vendors selling unique Spam food like Spam spring rolls, Spam rice and egg ice cream, Spam nachos, other probably more common things like Spam fried rice. You could get musubis while you were there.
What's a spam tamaki? Oh, yakisoba. Oh, that's smart. I thought that they were gonna give out spam bandages for first aid. That would be genius. Okay, let's go to the spam shop. I wanted to see what the merch they have is. I think they got shirts and stuff. I think we're too late. The spam shirt I really wanted in green is sold out, but they do have other merch, but a lot of the sizes are gone. It's like 7:20 now. They've been open for like 3 hours. I guess we're late. La Birria tacos. This must be the guy from the swap meet.
Spam ramen.
They got birria queso, birria spam ramen. That's their spam item.
This line goes into the next booth.
The lines are crazy. I was joking that there should be a spam candy, and they're sold out, but they did have it. And there's also a huge line. We just happened to have snuck through. But yeah, candied spam gummy bears, genius. Sorry, it's really threw me off. Look at this cutie.
Well behaved.
Probably loves spam. So it seems like there's vendors that are doing spam things, but then there's also vendors that are doing no spam stuff at all. Like this is just a candy shop. They do have less of a line than the other shops that are doing spam related things. I don't know, maybe it's just like they move around from market to market. Okay, confirmed, because we saw this guy at the swap meet. It's an ukulele stand. I mean, I think all vendors are allowed to be here, so they probably just apply to be here. That's why there's some non-spam related things. I personally was wanting to meet Spammy, who's right here. Let's see if I can get him in the picture. But I didn't want to line up. The line is miles long. Here, let's just wait. I can do this. Okay, thanks. In general, the lines here are crazy. There are so many people.
Yeah, it's like all of Waikiki is showing up for the Spam Jam.
Yeah, all of Waikiki is here. If you want food, you better be prepared to wait. There's a drone show at 8:30, so we have essentially like an hour from now to hopefully get some food. Maybe we'll find a place with a marginally shorter line.
Yeah, right. Yeah,
Oh, can we see what Duke's is making? They got a teriyaki spam katsu sandwich. Ooh, the mango barbecue spam katsu sounds good. And they're making the candied spam hula pie. They have 2 lines here, so they must have a system down. Look how busy it is. Oh, they got mini stickers. Do I have 25 cents? Is this a quarter? It says 1. I love these vending machines. I'm a sucker for just the gotchas.
Show us.
A truck with giant wheels. Aww.
You couldn't be more disappointed.
It was all. Do you want this sticker? You can have it. I don't want it. You like trucks, right? You can have it. Yeah, have a great day. They got spam nachos and a spam pate pork belly banh mi. Oh, that actually sounds so good. A spam banh mi? Don't tell anyone in Vietnam that, but the line is also 100 people long. King's Hawaiian is like an actual brand. Wait, what's happening right now? Wait, I think you can just line up. So this line said King's Hawaiian, and I wasn't sure what it was, so I went to the front, got myself a little sticker, and it is a sample stand, and it's moving. The girl's basically just like, here's your sample, here's your sample. We're gonna line up. The line's moving pretty quick. Thank you.
Awesome. Appreciate you guys.
Ooh, so it's some sort of pretzel bite that they're making.
Looks good.
Yeah.
So these are the King's Hawaiian soft pretzels. They're selling them in a little tub, but they're giving out samples at the Spam Jam. They're very soft. Absolutely no pretzel. It's just a soft bun. It's like a bao without any filling. It is just a soft bread. I mean, it looks like pretzel bread, but that's just to fake you out.
Mine even has like a thing.
It has a very light amount of salt, but you won't even notice it. The mustard is the only flavor.
All right, let's try it. I got one that has some of the topping at least, but it is like the density of a thick bun. So King's Hawaiian is a sweetbread company, so that makes sense to me that they would be making bread and not pretzels. But I was thinking like, ooh, Tom loves pretzels. This is gonna be great. It's like dipping your bread into like mustard, but it's just bread. I don't know what I expected because King's Hawaiian is a bread company, but it looks like a pretzel. Over here with their dry mein sando. It's a noodle sandwich. Oh, dry mein is just dry noodles, and they're putting it in a King's Hawaiian bun. So it's just a
Spam.
yeah, with spam. So it's noodles and spam inside of a bun, and this is the lineup for that.
So after being here, I'm convinced that the one thing they're missing at the Spam Jam is Spam Jam. There are so many people lined up for so many products, and so few of them are hitting the mark.
This is the jam. So there's 3 stages here. We're just walking by the second one now. It's probably a schedule. There's a bunch of people who have begun to wait, but when we first came in, saw the boys who are playing, what are they called? Party Foul, and they were playing a song about Spam. It was called like Masubi Baby. It was amazing. So I don't know who's coming on, but I don't know how they're gonna top that. Hold on, let me check the schedule. It looks like it's 7:38 now. So I think the people are waiting for Eerie Love to come on. And this is Party Foul that we saw earlier. And there must be one more stage. Oh, this is the Halal Hula. We should go down and check that out. Later tonight, we're waiting for the drone show. So Kirin is a popular Chinese restaurant, and they're also here. They're making Spam fried rice for $8 and Spam manapua. Manapua is like bao. So it'd sort of be the same as like char siu bao, but this one would be a Spam bao. Spam manapua. They also have, it looks like they have dim sum. They also have Spam spring rolls for $10. It's just all lines here. It's crazy. They were making a Spam salted caramel at the ice cream gelato shop. And this one is Spam tteokbokki, which is, I guess, Korean fusion, but there's so many lines here. They set up like a kids corner with crayons.
Coloring.
That looks like huli chicken. The smoke coming out of there.
You want to know, Bud? Good job, Bud.
It's the Aloha State Daily. It's a new independent news organization. And they're here just trying to promote themselves for people to sign up. And by playing a little Plinko, they're giving away notebooks, a fan to keep yourself cool, hand sanitizer, and a sticker, but we didn't win any stickers.
Love it. They have Spam takoyaki, Wagyu curry with Spam. Spam garlic rice seems more simple.
Spam garlic, right? Look at that one. Look at the bottom one.
Love it. Spam photo booth, also mega line. There's lines for everything here. I don't know if they got any Spam stuff here. A bunch of mochi. Look at this. Tom's fan is a necklace. At first I was wondering why there was no line here, and that's because they have run out of ice cream except for their classic sherbet. This one's making the Spam Slam. I don't even know what that is. It's a mayo unagi sauce for kake Spam. Oh, that sounds salty and delicious. Hot Cheeto balls. What do you think that is? Just deep fried Cheeto balls? They got a Spam fried noodle in a pineapple along with Spam pineapple smoothies, also in a pineapple. It is packed. Something that we noticed is that not a lot of stands sell drinks. So we're here at McDonald's just got a large cup. This is American large. And we're waiting for a drone show that's supposed to start in 25 minutes. It's so busy that even most of the flavors of, what is this, like fountain pop are out.
Say aloha, reach out and lend a helping hand. You gotta feel aloha, aloha. The heartbeat of our land. Thank you, everyone, for coming.
We're just camped out on the beach. This drone show is supposed to start in 13 minutes and it's supposed to be right here in the sky. So we're like as close to the shore as possible. We got to catch the end of a hula show. It's been pretty good. Showing up late was fine.
Yeah, we got to see everything.
Yeah, it was just that we weren't able to really get any food. Like all the lines were like 20, 30, 45 minutes long by the time we got here. We're headed out. It was so busy. It's past 9 now, and I was hoping to get some Spam food. There was a few things that I had seen on our way in, but it was just the lines are so long. So we are headed out. But I forgot to mention that because Southwest is a sponsor, Southwest was also giving out swag. So aside from the Hawaii News notebooks and other Tom's Fan gifts, we also got, I don't really know what to describe this, like a giant Spam napkin? Anyways, it was free as long as you had a Southwest Rewards number. So not bad, not bad. But I wish that we had I don't know, more time or less lines to get the food.
If you are thinking about going, definitely don't drive. The road is closed and the area nearby was jam-packed during the festival. So park a little further away and just walk in or take an Uber or honestly just anything but driving. Bring cash and it's free, so have the best time.